In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reroll traits here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and make your way over to any of these teleporters around the map, interact with it, and you need to teleport over to Sailor Island. So go ahead and teleport over to Sailor Island. What you could do is look on here and find the little trait thing and select that specifically, and it's going to take you to the NPC that you need to go to. But hit teleport, it'll take you directly to that NPC. You got to interact with this trait person just like so, and I currently do have a very, very good trait right now. But essentially what you need to do is just hit reroll on this, turn on auto reroll, and you could also filter as well to make sure that you get exactly what you want. Just keep in mind whatever you are re-rolling is going to be replaced. So for example, my current trait is singularity. This is a secret one, so I wouldn't actually want to re-roll this, but if I did, it would get rid of it. You can make sure that you are storing your traits as well. If you open up your inventory and go to storage, scroll down on here, find your traits on here, simply go ahead and hit whatever trait it is that you're trying to go ahead and save. As you can see, I just saved my singularity one, and then if I open this back up, I can go ahead and start auto re-rolling. But that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.